Hey, how's it going guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toaster Bros, and today we're going to be building a $650 gaming PC that you guys can easily build at home, and we're going to be giving one of them away.
As you can tell, we're not on our normal set. We're back at PCBros.tech, our PC selling business, where for the past couple of months, we've been doing these really cheap gaming PCs where you can get the most value for your money and honestly probably buy it for the same cost that it would cost you at home to build it yourself. And today we have one for $650 that we will also be giving away over on twitch.tv/ToasterBros this coming Friday. But before we dive into this PC build, we gotta pay some bills for passing the savings along to you guys. Let's hear a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by our friends at Corsair and their new RMX Shift series of power supplies, which brings a revolutionary change to the power supply market. The RMX Shift series moves the fully modular power supply connectors to the side of the power supply for easier access and cable management. It also features ATX 3.0 support for the latest RTX 40 series GPUs, an 80+ gold efficiency rating, 100% industrial grade Japanese capacitors, and a 10-year worry-free warranty, giving you peace of mind for your gaming or workstation PC build. To learn more about this game-changing power supply, check the link down below, and big thanks again to our friends at Corsair for sponsoring today's video.
So I'm gonna go and explain what the build is and how exactly this works. So every month, Teamgroup is nice enough to help out by sending over RAM and storage, and then PC Bros takes care of the rest. So this build we're gonna be selling for $650 if you decide to buy one. So there's gonna be 5 builds total. We're getting ready to build one of them that you guys will get to see. That's going to be the giveaway PC built by us, and then we're actually going to be building 4 more that we will be selling for $650, which is basically the exact cost of the build, and I'm just going to show you guys that. So these are our build sheets that we use every single month. You can see Matt planned it out, but these are the actual MSRP prices. Go ahead and look this stuff up, fact check us, obviously make sure the time and date you're looking this stuff up is relevant, but our total after tax is $623. We're going to be selling it for $650, so literally we're making $25 profit, if you will. But yeah, it's basically, when you include labor and everything, we're just breaking even on these builds so that we can pass the savings on to you guys, but you still get a 1-year parts and labor warranty with the actual build if you buy it. So the actual build itself is pretty freaking good. It's going to do esports, it's going to do AAA titles. I'm pretty excited about it.
So let's go ahead and bring some of the parts into Toasty Bros and go over those parts. So what are we using in this gaming PC build?
This gaming PC is going to have some pretty good stuff for $650. So we have an i5 10400F, which is a 6-core 12-threaded processor, and it is still one of the best bang for buck CPUs out there, coming in at a little over $100 usually. You really cannot beat the performance that you're going to get with that CPU, and it comes with a cooler too, but we're actually going to be using a ID cooling cooler for it. Now the stock cooler, by the way, is way more than adequate, but we just wanted to add some bling, make it do it just a little bit better, maybe some higher boost frequencies. This is the SE214XT ARGB. Comes with a nice ARGB fan, nice black top, so it kind of looks like the Hyper 212 Black, just a little bit cheaper, and it is ARGB. For the motherboard, we had this MSI Mag B560M mortar board, and that's a really good looking board right there. We could have gone really cheap, but at the time recording this video, cheap motherboards aren't exactly easy to find. You kind of get that a lot with motherboards and power supplies. Now we actually have 16 gigs of this T-Force Delta RGB RAM, and this is 3600 megahertz, so we're pretty much at the top of the peak as far as 10th gen goes, so it's gonna look good and it's gonna perform really good in that dual channel form. Now for storage, we have this Teamgroup 512 gig SSD, and yeah, that's plenty of storage for all of your basic games, but check out Teamgroup because you can get 1 terabyte, you can get 2 terabyte, you can definitely get more storage if you want it.
The GPU, we went a little bit interesting. This is the Aisurix RX 588 gig, light up your joyousness. We made videos on this card, well, several times actually. It's basically a reboarded RX 588 gig chip, but a new cooler is added to it, and it performs like a 578 gig because it only has 2048 stream processor, so do keep that in mind. But of course in this video, we will do some benchmarks to show you guys that this is a pretty capable card, and for the price of this build, I think we couldn't have gone any better with this. Now for the power supply. This right here is the Thermaltake Smart BM2 550 watt. Pretty solid power supply, 550 watts is more than adequate for this PC build. We'll accommodate some upgrades in the future if you're wanting to. And yeah, some nice cables. We're not sacrificing on the quality there. We didn't go with sleeve cables this go around because we wanted to make the build as cheap as possible. But if you wanted to build this yourself at home, let's say, you could definitely go with sleeve cables for about 30 to 40 bucks more. Now this case right here I'm pretty excited about. This is the Bitfenix Nova Mesh M ARGB. We love the normal Nova Mesh. We actually used one of those cases in the, well, previous month's giveaway that we did over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and the one we sold at PC Bros. But yeah, this case for I think about 70 bucks is a great deal. 3 ARGB fans, we got some mesh on the front, and yeah, it's an overall solid case, but I'm excited to see how well it translates to the micro ATX form factor, and yeah, that allowed us to save some money and get some really good performance. Now, what we're gonna go ahead and do is put this thing together, test it in some of our favorite games, and then wrap this video up real quick.
All right, guys, we're playing some Overwatch 2, and we are at the high preset with full screen, 1080p, and we have the max frame rate set to 300, and we're not doing any downscaling. We're keeping 100% 1080 raw.
Now, yes, the 580 in this system with the 2040 stream processors isn't a real 580. It's more like a 578 gig, but in esports titles, it performs very well.
Get away from,
oh wow, you got destroyed. But yeah, as you can tell, that 10400F is only being used about 30 to 20% of the time, so there's definitely headroom for upgrades in the future. And that's kind of what I was going for with this. A very nice looking build that can do esports titles and higher end games on lower settings, while also, well, being able to be upgraded very easily.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh, I should not be doing this.
That was very aggressive.
I was like, I need it. Wait, okay, wait, was it now?
You. Oh man.
Dude, I can't with these sleeps.
Ooh.
I did not mean to.
Oh,
god
no!
Angie's powered up, and I'm slept.
Oh, they're like,
This is horrible. This
we baited
is literally
him.
horrible.
Oh wow.
This is, I'm so bad right now.
We shall see. Oh, look who's here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, popping ults. Oh.
And yep, I'm dead. Wait.
Oh, saved from
Double? Double? Here. I'm just afraid I can actually get some important with
that guy.
I already know.
Oh my.
Wait, did we get him? Oh, we did. We got him.
Alright.
All right, they don't have a tank. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, he died in my arms. He died in my arms tonight. Ooh, he got hit. Come on, hit me with your fire strike, idiot. Ooh, we have a fairy now. Ooh, we're becoming little demons.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh no!
And I'm powered up.
That was a
I feel like
fun.
we're like returning the pain right now, dude. Oh god, they just bobbed and they Genji ulted. I guess they didn't Genji ult a second ago. See, sometimes it's about getting distance, you know? Come here, boy.
Oh, there he is.
He's, oh, I couldn't charge. Dang it. So I feel like it's one of those ones where like I'm gonna get blamed, but at the same time, this Ryan's just insane.
Here we go. And
Dude, like,
oh man.
that Ana is insane. They really did go through the whole, we tried every DPS. All right, guys, well.
That was
we
Overwatch.
tried.
The
We
performance
tried.
is good. Let's move on to the next game. All right, guys, we're dropping in real quick. I'll show you all the settings real quick, but we're on DX12. We're on the performance upscaling, so we're able to get, well, 100 plus FPS with this RX 580, and yeah, things are running pretty smooth so far. I will say, running DX11 and 12 recently has worked a lot better than even performance mode. Performance mode is very hit or miss, and the game looks a lot better as well. So I recommend even on budget systems, unless we're talking like dirt cheap, like even some APU systems are probably better performance mode, but as long as you have a somewhat capable dedicated GPU, I would just, you know, run these settings. They're much better. And I wouldn't build mode, by the way. That sucks. I don't like that. So you guys can see the settings real quick. Let me show you all. Here we are. Low, performance, high, medium, all over the place.
Are we still windowed?
Yes, it would
still
not.
windowed
It would not change. It refused to change. Weird Fortnite thing.
Need the hammer to get around.
Hey, John Wick, turn around. Oh. Oh. All right. No, off the bike, off the bike.
The bike's chasing him. Oh, they know how to build.
Darn gamer, you.
Oh, you can definitely hit them out of the sky though with that. I hope that felt worth it, buddy.
Oh no, my bike. It's still working. Oh, I don't have any tires. How? Oh, that sucks. I was having fun with that. Ooh. May she rest in peace. Oh God.
Oh, ooh. That feels like a real player. Is that a clown? A lot faster the other guy was.
Oh.
Oh, he's so low.
Ah! I've yet to build once, which I think is
You should win the
success.
game without building.
Oh! What just happened? Honestly, I just went up in like a tornado and disappeared, so I really don't even know what to tell you what happened there.
By Wolverine, too.
By Wolverine, but I killed a decent amount of people, and Fortnite runs great. I mean, with this PC for 650 bucks, especially at PC Bros, I think it's a pretty good deal. Now, of course, with all our PC builds, we like to run some more demanding games that we don't normally play during the built-in benchmark section, so you can see the maximum limit of this PC. So let's go ahead and do that while we wrap this video up real quick. But as you can tell, the performance was really solid in all the games we tested. Fortnite, Overwatch, we got Hogwarts Legacy getting 60 FPS, and I think for 650 bucks, if you're going to buy this thing over PCBros.tech, you're gonna get a really good deal, and we try to deliver these good deals every single month. So big thanks again to Teamgroup for making this build possible, and let us know what kind of specs you wanna see on the next build next month, and be sure to join the giveaway stream on March 10th for a chance to win this PC.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
So like we said, thanks to PC Bros for helping us give away one of these gaming PCs, but there will also be 4 more of them for sale right when this video goes live. They will go very quick, so make sure you try to grab one while you can.
PCBros.tech, we sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. If you use code ToastyBros200, you'll save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye. It's saying goodbye to you all.
Zoom, zoom.